morning to all my friends. My name is Vaimurthy, studying APR School, Narsipatnam. My native place is Devanapalli. Today I tell about some words Veeragada. India is a land of countless heroes who served the nation with courage and sacrifices. Today I am going to share the inspirable stories of one such braveheart, Captain Vikram Batra, the Kargil War hero who became a symbol of courage and patriotism. About gallantry awards. Gallantry awards are given to honor acts of bravery and self-sacrifice in the service of the nation. They include Paramveer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra, Veera Chakra, Ashok Chakra, Kirti Chakra. Early life of Captain Vikram Batra. Captain Vikram Batra was born on 9th September 1974 in Palampur, Himachal Pradesh. He was a bravest student and NCC candidate from a young age. He dreamed of joining the Indian Army and serving his motherland. Act of bravery. Karinga War, Kargil War 1919. During the Kargil War, Captain Batra led his men to capture point 5140 and point 4875 under extremely dangerous conditions. He displayed extraordinary courage and motivated his soldiers with the slogan, "Hey Dil Mange More." Even when facing heavy enemy fire, he never backed down. The Supreme Sacrifice. While resting a fellow soldiers during the attack on point 4875, Captain Batra was hit by enemy fire. He made the supreme sacrifice for the nation on 7th July 1919. For his unmatched bravery, he was posthumously awarded the Paramveer Chakra, India's highest bathroom gallery award. Legacy and inspiration. Captain Vikram Batra's courage and patriotism continue to inspire generations of Indians. His life teaches us the value of duty, bravery and love for the nation. He will always be remembered as the Lion of Kargil. Conclusion. Our Gallantry Award winners are the pride of our nation. Let us salute their bravery and promise to follow their path of courage and dedication. Jai Hind.